If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
The simplicity you can find in the celebration of longevity of a humble person cannot take anything away from the consistency and thousand steps of rigorous journey to such a feat.
To cut this cake now is being God, and it will forever be God in this family. So, somebody give me J. Can I hear you say E? Give me S. Give me U. Can I hear you say S? And who is that? Jesus.
It was a double celebration for the family of Dr. Sir Nduka and Lady Gozie Ochuba on Sunday, 28th of July 2024, as friends, associates, family members gathered in Thanksgiving at All Saints Cathedral and C.J. Patterson Hall to celebrate the 39th wedding anniversary of Dr. Sir Nduka and Lady Gozie Ochuba, as well as the 75th birthday of Dr. Nduka Ochuba, the couple standing as a model for the modern society as a testament of love, humility, perseverance, and patience.
So what does that mean? That means that if you want to get married, you should look at the person's antecedents, the family background. That to a certain extent can guide you.
Attesting to this, the current president of Abaka Landlord Association and SA to Chief of Staff Anambra State Chief Chinedu Akwaka Dikora Obo described Dr. Sir Nduka Ochuba as a gentleman blessed with a good family by God.
Well, Dr. is a gentleman. You have a good family. God bless him. So, because in Akpaka, he's one of the BOT members. He's a chairman BOT member at Akpaka Landlord Association. So, I work with him as chairman. So, we are doing well. Mine is doing well. He's a gentleman. As I know him, he's a gentleman.
The event, graced by people from different walks of life, also experienced genuine show of love on Dr. Sir Nduka Ochuba by his siblings, comprising 4 men and 2 women, who believe that he deserves all the good things happening to him, represented by his beloved sister Flo Ejikeme Ni Ochuba and a pharmacist who lives in the United Kingdom, Dr. Okudele Ochuba, described his brother, Dr. Nduka Ochuba, as a selfless, kind, and compassionate.
Huge congratulations, you too, as I can unequivocally state that you not only deserve, but you as well earn this. Kudos. Our late dad, Ezamal Ochuba, fondly called Nduka Ndu, and today that's exactly what nearly all the family call him. Ndu, we, your siblings, are extremely proud to call you brother because you are special, unassuming, charming, smart, infectious smile, selfless, kindness, compassionate, and as a motto, perfect in every sense.
The 39th wedding anniversary will not be complete without the precious gifts of the union. Barrister Chiamaka Ochuba could not hide her excitement to be part of the event.
I feel excited so happy to be a part of the whole ceremony. Yeah, I'm joyful as well. One major thing to learn is the love. Couples should love each other because love enables you to live with this person despite whatever challenges, and also be each other's fans. Be your partner's fan. Support the person through thick and thin.
Proud to call them parents, Engineer Gozie Ochuba explains that a dedicated prayer life brought them this far.
First of all, you have to have a dedicated and devout prayer life, because at the end of the day, you can't do it all on your own. You need strength and wisdom from God, because parenting is not easy.
Explaining the concept of marriage and how to clock 39 years in it, Dr. Nduka Ochuba stated that marriage is give and take. Rooms for accommodation and tolerance must be created to enable marriage to last.
So by and large, in marriage, what's important is acceptance and tolerance. Tolerance. You must tolerate your partner. Nobody is perfect. And unless you tolerate, it won't last.
From CJ PATTERSON Hall, All Saints Cathedral, ONITSHA, Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie reporting.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie, example the first. Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.